I put the roof on that's on there now, the one in the top layer that they're taking off. I did that myself, yeah. About 25 years ago or so. Yeah, 25 years ago they made shingles differently than they do today. So
what was it about the roof that really had you decide it's time to do this?
The fact that it was a lifetime roof, and the fact that it would withstand, you know, all of the winter and summer hazards of the storms. So the high wind resistance and
yeah, you're saying potentially with storms getting worse, more intense.
right.
It's a better.
Keep the shingles on the roof. If they're aluminum, they'll stay there a lot longer. So far, it's been great. Adam's been good. We've had discussion this morning, so I'm looking forward to seeing what it looks like.
All right, Tom, so how long has the roof been on?
About 2 months now, almost.
And
So
how's life changed for you?
not really. It hasn't changed at all, except I don't worry about, you know, whether or not the shingles are going to come flying off.
You had any comments? Anybody talking to you about the roof and saying anything?
Yeah, all the kids like it. My neighbors like it. So everybody that's been over says, wow, they're really impressed. So.
Did they ask you if it's loud?
Oh yeah, all the time. That's the first question is, how loud is it? So
Is it?
no, not loud at all. So,
Yeah. That's
which surprised me too, because I thought being aluminum that it would, in the hard rain, that you would hear it a lot, but I don't hear it at all. Crew was great. They were here on time every morning, and they stayed late at night, and they did an excellent job. So every day when they came, they'd tell me what they were going to do, and when they left, we went over what they had done, and so yeah, it was great.
And the
good crew.
Cleanup and everything?
Cleaned up everything. As you can tell, there's not a speck of dirt or leftover materials at all. So
Now, they did a tear off on the garage behind you.
they did.
That was quite
That was
messy.
yeah. Oh yeah, we had a lot of shingles that came off of there. So right down to the bare wood. It changed the look completely. Yeah, brings it back to where I think it should be with the style of the house and the style of the shingles. It matches quite well. In hindsight, I think, you know, it was quite a sticker shock, but after it's on and the looks of it, and I think the quality of the installation and the quality of the materials, I think it's definitely the Cadillac of roofs. But I think if you want a roof that's going to last forever, which I obviously do, then that's the roof to get for sure. Peace of mind that you never have to worry that, you know, the roof's going to leak or the wind's going to blow the shingles off, or, you know, I don't have to worry about any of that.